Since the start of the pandemic, the global supply crisis has had a profound impact on the AV industry. But where are we today? I am going to find out from manufacturers and integrators to see if the supply crisis has finally cleared.
It definitely is coming to the tail end of it. It's been a really interesting journey to watch because it has shifted in waves through different product groups. So we started this, over 2 years ago, heavily affecting digital signage players, also some displays. We're actually in a great stock position now all across the world with those products, but we felt it a bit more in the audio categories and definitely in controls.
There's a little bit of truth to that. I think with anything, you'll find some truth somewhere, but not to the extent that the integrators feel as though it's been loosened up at all. I think it's definitely something that we're not able to run our businesses with, and there's an interesting correlation between the brands that you would use as a habit in your company versus the brands that you wouldn't go to normally.
Frankly speaking, I think that our industry needs to be realistic in terms of the supply shortage crisis, because of course the shortage changes in the post-COVID. Since the beginning it's due in a lot of parts. Today this shortage is due of the power devices. More of this shortage is due to this one.
I'm still very cautious about this topic. The supply shortage and global chip crisis hit the sector hugely impacted, but we see still some problems with the supply chain problem. Actually, for last couple of months, it's a little bit easy. We are able to get our orders, our shipments on a regular basis, but I would still personally wait for Q2 or Q3 of this year to have a better understanding of this.
What we see in here throughout the alliance is that actually the integrators are trying to change their own business model, and they are trying to actually move to a more flexible approach. We call it a vendor-free approach, that you get out of this chain and try to be flexible. If you need a microphone, you shouldn't get it traditionally from the partner that traditionally you are used to work with, but rather you should seek the market in terms of delivery and what is available right now.